Open houses. 41% of the buyers attended an open house during their home search. Translation: open houses are still alive and well even in 2023. So if you're toying around with selling this year, be open to an open house. 6 keys to successful open houses in 2023 is take care of the clutter, please, as neutral as possible. Stage. Number 2, all the cars out of the driveway and find a place for your pets, please. Number 3, absolutely no candles or air fresheners, at least that day, please. I'll take care of that. Number 4, weekends work best, and if the weather is good, is a plus. Number 5, personalize, spread the word and social media and all your networks with your family, whatever. Number 6, ask attendees for feedback. That's super key because you will understand what's going on the buyer's mind with that super important information. So check out the open houses article that I put down below and let me know if you need any help.